This highly immersive virtual reality protocol allows us to investigate how people adjust their motion during crossing. Actually walking on a treadmill makes it possible to fully capture the reciprocal relationship between perception and action.
This method can provide insight into the field of behavioral ecology, as well as allow researchers to explore questions in pedestrian safety and autonomous vehicle development.
It is helpful to use diagrams to visualize the crossing situation, so that the researcher may calibrate the parameters correctly to suit the purpose of his or her study.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Fei Lee, a graduate student from my laboratory.
Begin by setting the parameters on the walking simulator using the config directory. In the car section, set the parameters for the first vehicle. Set type to 1 for sedan, 2 for bus, or 0 for no vehicle. Next, set speed in kilometers per hour and distance to the desired value in meters. Complete the second car section by setting the same parameters. The road section contains parameters for lane selection. Set the parameter lane to 1 to use the lane closer to the pedestrian starting position, or 2 for the lane further away. In the save section, which contains the parameter related to sampling frequency, set the parameter